Now, we said in the beginning we can use these matrices to organize data. And that's what we're going to do here. So it says, use these matrices to organize the following information about healthcare plans. So I'm going to use a matrix for each year. So this year will be one matrix, and next year will be a second matrix. So for the first year, or this year, it says for individuals, comprehensive, HMO standard, and HMO plus. So those are your three plans. Cost $694.32, $451.80, and then $489.48. And then it says for families, these plans cost $1725.36, $1187.76, and $1248.12. So what's going to happen? It doesn't really matter if you do the rows as the plans and the columns as individual and family, or vice versa. But whichever way you keep the first matrix, if you guys want to be able to operate with them, you have to keep the same layout for your second matrix. So for the first one, I'm going to do the plans as the rows. So I'm going to do comprehensive, and then HMO standard, and then HMO plus. Those are going to be my rows, and individual price and family price will be my columns. So I'm going to take a second and fill this out. You guys can do the same. So now that I've filled out the first year, that's this year, the first year, I'm going to do the same exact thing for the second year. So I'm still going to keep the same order of everything. I'm going to have the first row be comprehensive, the second row be HMO standard plan, and the third row be the HMO plus plan. My rows will be individual and family. It's just that I'm going to now input the values for the next year. Okay, so there you can see both matrices, we've filled them out. Now we're going to use these two matrices to complete or do number 6. So for number 6, again referring still to number 5, a company offers the healthcare plans in the previous problem to its employees. So the employees receive monthly paychecks from which healthcare payments are deducted. So monthly is a keyword there. And it says use these matrices in the previous problem to write a matrix that shows the monthly change in healthcare payments from this year to the next. So if we're trying to find the change from the healthcare from one year to the next year, we're finding the difference. So the first thing I want to do is subtract. So I'm going to call my first one, logically, A, and my second one is going to be B. So we want to find what's the difference from what's happening the most recent year from the year before. So we want to find the difference of B minus A. So all we're doing is subtracting our values. So we're going to do $683.91 minus $694.32. So that will give us negative $10.41. So you guys can go ahead and subtract your matrices. I'm going to pause it and do that now. So the difference from the most recent year to the previous year are given there in front of you guys. So I just subtracted the values. So if I'm trying, that's for the entire year. So if I'm trying to find what's the difference of their monthly rates, how many months are there in a year? Well, it's going to be whatever that difference was divided by 12. And what did we say? We don't really divide a matrix by a number. So we're going to take 1/12 times that matrix from above. I'm just simply writing an arrow because I'm running out of room. But we're going to take each individual entry and divide it or multiply it by 1/12. So what you end up with is the monthly difference instead of the annual difference. So from month to month, or what their monthly charges are going to be a difference of, are negative 87 cents. So that would have gone down 94 cents. $9.79. Nope, that's what we already had. $9.79 divided by 12 is 82 cents. 25.88 divided by 12 is negative $2.16. And then $2.47 and $2.08. So that is going to be the monthly change in their healthcare plans that they pay. So matrices can be pretty useful as long as you guys set them up correctly with the accurate data or the correct data.